Levitating pencil, science behind it. The setup is called maglev. In the vertical direction, the pencil is subject to the gravitational force and the front magnet exerts a downward force while the back magnet exerts an upward force. It's the delicate interplay between all of these different forces that allows the pencil to remain stable and levitate in the air without any support. It takes trial and error to position pencil magnet perfectly. Once it's done, fix magnets with glue so that magnets does not move.
The bouncy egg. The science behind it. The shell of an egg is made up of calcium carbonate. When you place the egg into the vinegar, you see bubbles, which is the chemical reaction of the acid in the vinegar reacting with the calcium carbonate to produce carbon dioxide. You will also notice that the egg gets larger as it sits in the vinegar. That is because of some of the vinegar is absorbed in the air through its membrane.